Mrs. Jones wanted a picture for her living room. She took the bus and went to town. She looked for a picture shop and after a few minutes she found one. One here means a picture shop. There were some pictures in the window, but she did not like them very much. She went into the shop and looked at some other pictures. She liked some of those more. The meaning of window here is different and you can see the picture. There was a picture of the young girl and Mrs. Jones liked it very much. She went to the shopkeeper and said, "How much do you want for this picture?" The shopkeeper turned the picture round. He looked at the back of it and then said, £13. £30, Mrs. Jones said. That's very expensive. I'm going to offer you £20 for it. I said £13, not £30, the man answered. 13, Mrs. Jones said. Then I'm going to offer you £9 for it.